Hi everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat traveling chef. Anyways, this video here is going to be in two parts. The second part is going to show tomorrow. I have tried to make this into a premiere. I had quite a bit of footage of multiple things besides the gumbo. Unfortunately, I had problems with my camera. It was not recording correctly, causing corruptions. No, so on some of the things other than the gumbo. It did corrupt on one, but for some reason it downloaded and it was saved, so I was able to save that part of the video. The others I was not able to. So this is going to be two parts. The other one is going to show tomorrow. So enjoy the video, and we'll continue it again tomorrow, and have a great day. Hi everyone, this is Saucy the Traveling Towboat Chef. Today we are going to be making gumbo. No, I do not do the packaged stuff. Yes, it takes approximately 2.5 to 3 hours to do it right. But I'm only going to do it in increments, so you don't have to have watching a video that's 2 to 3 hours long. But I'll show you the ingredients and we'll take it from there. Be right back. Okay, today's ingredients is 2 packages of smoked sausage. Unfortunately, I do not have any andouille, so please, all you Louisiana people, trust me, I wish I had andouille to do in this. 3 Godzilla-size chicken breasts that I will be splitting in half to make a total of 6 normal chicken breasts. Leftover shrimp from lunch, 2 onions, 2 bell peppers, 5 celery, 5 or 6 of the green onions, minced garlic. Hold on, let's go back over here. Worcestershire sauce, butter, flour, bouillon cubes, 6 cups of water, stewed tomatoes, and okra. All of this will be going in one pot. Alright, be back after I get everything chopped up and get ready to get going. I will show you all that. Well, I forgot 2 other items. Olive oil and parsley flakes. Anyways, I got the chicken all cubed up. I got the smoked sausage all sliced up. I've got, yes, I know, that's quite a bit of garlic. Again, you can't go wrong with garlic. But underneath all this is also the green peppers, somewhere in there. See, down below. Onions, celery, and of course that garlic. That I'm going to peel when I'm doing the simmer job. So, there's my cubes, and my bouillon cubes, my scallions, and of course everything else is not, that's for later. So be right back. Okay, normally you put in about 2 tablespoons. I do enough to cover the bottom. That's about right. I put in a total of 8 butters. Yes, my hands are clean. Not right now, they ain't. Get that all melted. Be right back, gotta wash my hands. Okay, it's all ready for the chicken, but you gotta salt and pepper it first. Again, a little bit of salt. Now you just only basically want to semi-cook it. Just get it brown on the outside, or white, as they call it. Takes a few moments. So I'll be right back on this one too. Okay, the chicken's ready to come out. Yes, I did wash the pan out. You don't want to put it back in right where it was raw. So try and drain most of that juice off. Keep it in the pot. Yeah, you're probably going to have little tiny pieces. That's fine, that's in there. This is what gives it all the flavor when I start to do the roux. Now mind you, when I come to the step right before the roux, I'll most likely have to add just a little bit more oil to it. Because the oil, of course, is coating a lot of this. Got a little splatter over there. Alright, next step. Sausage. Brown that up a little bit. Be right back and I'll show you on that. Okay, this part is done. I just add it straight to the chicken. Due to the fact it's going to go into the pot together when it comes time. Again, drain off as much as you can. I'll show you how much is in here and how much I'm going to have to re-add. By the way, this recipe was taught to me by my aunt. God rest her soul. She lived in Mamou, Louisiana. I lived with her for about a year and a half. And that woman taught me every type of Cajun cooking you could think of. She married a true blue Cajun man until he passed away after 32 years. When I moved to Florida, she moved not too far after me. She used to call me up and said her in-laws had sent her a package. I knew what was in that package, some boudin. I told her I'll pick up the Vidalias of beer. Now anybody that's Cajun knows what that means. Alright. As you can see, I ain't got much left in there. So, to get a good roux, you add more oil. Just enough. Cover the bottom again. Okay, I hear it sizzling. This next step. This is what's going to entail. See this? Reason why I got this, I only got a short one of these. That's a big ass pot to keep my hand going round and round in circles for the next 20 minutes in that side of that pot. So let's add the flour and let's go from here. Start off with a half cup. And that's going to be the perfect consistency. Let me show you real quick. See how that looks? God, I hope you saw that because I got to continue stirring here. Anyways, this takes approximately about 20 minutes. What you want to do is you want to keep stirring, and the color you want to get is a color of a copper penny. Nice. When that's done, so then you take it off the stove for about 10-15 minutes. When you come back to it, I'll show you the before and then when you come back to it. So see you guys in about 20-30 minutes. Well, it has been 20-30 minutes, but I want you to see how I have to keep doing this at a fast pace. This arm's going to have so much muscle. And I got to really dig the bottom and in the corners, in the sides, or whatever. Get this going. Because if not, it'll burn. You don't want burnt roux. So, yep, back in a few. Okay, this is what it looks like. I hope you can see it. It's the color of a copper penny. You notice it's still bubbling. Now in 10 minutes, where the hell's the camera? There it is. Now in about 10 minutes, I'm going to come back and we're going to see the difference in color. So let's wait and see. There's a secret to this.